Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I managed to make $10,000 from just clipping Marlon and Yonna stage. As a 19-year-old boy from a third world country, no special setup, just a phone, clipping and posting on TikTok. And in one single stream, just one day between Marlon and Yonna, I made $10,000 with just my strategy and consistency. And also, I did over 100 million views in a single day. And here is the payout. And here is the date when I received it, and to show you when I started posting their clips. Here is my page. You've probably seen my clips a lot, but
Yes.
look when I posted it. 1 month after my payout. 1 month before my payout, sorry. Anyways, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it and how you can do it too from just uploading clips. But before that, that is you right now, Chopped Lazy, a guy who watches streamers daily for $0, tired of school, don't know how to make money, plays video games all day, doom scrolls TikTok, and wanna become a chat like Marlon. This is you after watching this video and doing what I say. You're gonna become a guy who watches streamers daily but makes 10k a month, don't care about school, knows exactly what to do to earn, and mocks Chopped Lazy, and basically locked in. So, how did I manage to make $10,000 from a single stream? Well, it starts with the stream itself. The hype behind Marlon and Yonna was insane. Marlon was already a top streamer at the time, so he knows exactly what to do to make a clip go viral. Yonna is the same, and the feelings between them were real. So that is the main point why clips went viral, because their relationship was real, not staged. And people knew their relationship was real, that's why they were invested a lot in them. Me personally, I knew this stream was going to be different. I knew it was the one to go all in. So that is exactly what I did. I locked myself in a room, turned my phone off, gave them my full attention every minute, every moment I was there. The second something happened, I clipped it, uploaded it, and moved to the next one. I was faster than anyone else. You can check my clipping page. I was always the first to upload. And if you want to know exactly how I managed to upload first, even though there were like 100,000 people watching, how I stayed original, how I managed to target USA audience, even from a third world country, how I grew my page fast enough to be ready for a stream like this. I put everything in my mentorship, every tool, every strategy, nothing held back, and even weekly Discord calls with me reviewing your pages and correcting your mistakes. And here's my mentorship, so if you're interested, here is it. As you can see, $100 a month. You can stop eating for like one day and pay for it. You will get exactly what I do, and I will make sure that you earn your first dollar in the first month. So full step-by-step system from setup to scaling, the exact editing style and the caption method that gets clips to go viral, the best campaigns and where to find them, a private community focused on one thing, making money, direct one-on-one calls with me personally, and yeah, and also no experience needed, no big budget, just the work. In this mentorship, you will find like 5 episodes where I give you a real example how to set up your account, how to my tricks to be the first to upload. So I just want to say that because a lot of people DM'd me and wanted to join my mentorship and asked if I had one. You can find the link to the mentorship in the description. Go check it out if you are serious about making money from clipping. Anyways, next thing is, how did I upload 100 clips and yet my page did not get shadow banned? As you can see, look. All my views were normal, like 30k, 300k, 1 million views. No clips went below like 1k views, 1 million views again. The answer is simple. My page was ready for it. I have been uploading 30 plus clips every single day for almost a year. My page has over 100k followers, so TikTok trusts me. On top of that, every single clip was original. I was the first to upload, which is the most important thing in clipping. If you're not the first to post a clip, it will never go viral. Someone else already has the views and you are just competing for the leftovers. I also made sure to avoid any cursing in the clips. Sometimes I added the love songs in the background to keep the feeling of the moment alive and also to make the clip feel different from everyone else. No duplicated content, yes, no rule breaking, just a warmed page, original clips, and the discipline to stay locked in for the entire stream. That is why I never face any issues, and that is exactly what I teach inside my mentorship, so you can do the same thing from day one. Now, you might be wondering, can someone with a new page make this kind of money from just one stream? And the answer is yes, 100%. I have done it myself. I made 6k from a brand new page within the first week of clipping. By day 3, I was already posting more than 20 clips a day without getting shadow banned. How? Because the page was warmed correctly from the start, and because I was always the first to upload. That is the main key. And it does not matter if your page is new or has 100k followers. If you are first to post the moment, TikTok will push it. The algorithm does not care about your follower count as much as it cares about fresh original content. A new page can be ready for a big stream faster than most people think. You just need to set it up the right way and follow the right strategy from day one. Now let me tell you the real reason why my clips go extremely viral and why they always do. Not because Marlon and Yonna think, no, you can check my page, all my clips goes viral. The main thing is because I myself love drama. Most clippers wait for the perfect moment to happen in the stream. Me myself, I do not wait for anything. I invent the moment from my head. That is me saying that. Anyways, Marlon looked at Yona for 1 second. That is a clip for me. I already, in my head, had the caption ready. Marlon falls in love with Yona after seeing her outfit. Marlon laughed at something she said. That is a clip. Marlon could not stop smiling after Yona told him. In my mind, I'm just waiting for the smallest detail to make it a story. And people click because they want to know what happened. That curiosity is what drives the views. You need to think like your audience. What do they want to see? What do they want to believe? Give them that in the caption. And let the clip do the rest. That's what I do. And that is what you should do. Never be a clipper that sits and waits for something big to happen. Every second of that stream is a potential viral clip. You just need to see it that way. That mindset combined with being the first to upload is exactly why my clips perform the way they do every single time. Like, let's go to my page right now and check. Like, look, to my latest clips. Look, 700k. Marlon is back to his prime as a child after shocking everyone with his physique. Look at this clip. Look. He does not do anything, he just got out the cold plunge and walked. Look what did I type in the caption. And look how many views I generated because of this clip. That was it guys for this video. I explained exactly how I made $10,000 from clipping and how was my mindset clipping them. Before you go, I just want to say this, I swear, in my mentorship, if you do not make a single dollar from it, I will refund you. You just need to follow my strategy. In my mentorship, you will find 5 episodes. That's all you need to start making money from clipping. Trust me for one time and join it. Just stop eating for like 3 days and you will be able to join it. I myself joined a lot of clipping mentorships. This is the perfect place to learn clipping and to start making money from it. Anyways, that was it guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.